On this episode of Crypto Moose, we will guide you step by step how to set up the Tangem Ring and or wallet. This is by far my favorite crypto hardware wallet in 2026. So guys, let's dive right into it with the guide. Step number 1, unbox the device. If you have not picked one up yet, head over to the link tree, use code Moose, save 10% today. Step number 2, download the Tangem app. I also recommend to update the software whenever possible so that you get the best token support as well as the best security. For step number 3, all you're going to do is scan your Tangem Ring. I highly recommend when you guys are setting up your wallet to use a seed phrase. You have an option of writing down 12 to 24 words, so in case you ever lose your physical devices, you can order a new set, re-import your seed phrase, and your crypto is safe. Step number 4, back up your wallet. This is the most important part. Write down your mnemonic seed. In case you ever lose your device, you can recover your crypto. You're going to repeat this process several different times. If you guys pick up the Tangem Ring, it comes with 2 backup cards. And of course, if you guys simply picked up the wallet, then you're going to have either 1 backup card or 2. And for step number 5, all you're going to do is add the tokens that you want in the app. Simply send tokens to the corresponding public address. If you guys want help with that, we have other videos here on the channel. Congratulations, you now have a working Tangem wallet. You guys are going to love this device. It's one of my favorites in the world. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.